Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning how to frame questions in Java. How to translate a question into a Boolean equation is today's topic. In this class we will learn how to take a question and create a Boolean expression. If you remember, Boolean is a data type. Boolean is what we refer as the value with true or false. So let's say you have, you are given a problem statement in which we say you can do something only if you are, 18 years or older. Now, this question is the age is 18 years or older is we need to translate that into Java. We need to tell Java how to, how to execute and utilize this, this equation or what we refer as expression in Java. A Boolean expression, to be in more formal sense, a Boolean expression is what we refer as when you have an operand on the left and in comparison operator in the center and then second operand on the right side. For example, we say age is greater than or equal to 18. In this case, your left side, the name of a variable is operand 1. This is your comparison operator, and there are multiple comparison operators in Java. And then you have, this is your second operand 2. This is how you will always frame you will take a variable, you will put a operand in between, comparison operator in between, and you will put another variable or another value on the right side. Usually you have a variable on the left and a value or a variable on the right side. And of course you will have these two are connected using an operand comparison operator in the center. Now let's take a look at it. There are several comparison operators and majority of them you have already seen in your math or algebra class. But the most important one right now is equal to. Now when we say equal to, we use two double equal to back to back. Earlier we used single equal to and it was used for assignments. When we assign a value to a variable, we used a single equal to. We say x equal to 5. We are, in another word, we were saying set x to 5. That is how you will read this equal to sign. But with double equal to is truly is a question. Is this equal to is equal to? So we say x double equal to 5 means we are checking if x is 5 or not. So you use double equal to for comparison, single equal to for assignment. Similarly, we have other comparison operators. For example, greater than, pretty straightforward. We say, some variable x greater than 5, or we say y less than 10, or we say y greater than equal to maybe 10. So we are checking if y, the way you read it is if y is greater than or equal to 10 or not. Right? You don't say like this. This is not the right way. There is no such symbol in Java or on your keyboard. You always take this as a combination of two characters, greater than symbol and equal to symbol. Similarly, you have less than and equal to symbol. And we will learn more about, we'll do a lot more practice to frame this question, convert a problem statement into a Boolean expression. That way you feel comfortable in creating a Boolean expression, then you learn how to evaluate it to true and false and much more. I'll see. That's all in this class. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and practice, take the quiz. And I always repeat, practice, practice, and practice. That is the only way you will learn. See you guys again. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.